So I'm going to create a flower bed in front of our walkway entrance, and I'm going to take you along with us, see what happens. I got flowers, probably need to pick up some more of them. I'll show you what it is. Pretty easy. I'm going to do it by myself. This is the wood I'll be using for the front. The wood cut out. I'm gonna rake out the center part so there's no weeds in there anymore. At Walmart that we are going to lay down in our flower bed. Got some potting soil to put down too. We've got some mulch too to put on top. final. I put the mulch in there. Keep it hydrated. All I have to do is put some water. Give my girl some water. This is our final. This is our walk entry. I love it.